Project 7, Technology Helpline. You are the supervisor for your company's technology help desk. You use Excel to report employee hours and calls. Task 1, on the average call time worksheet, I'm going to navigate over to that worksheet. Use an Excel feature to copy the spark line into all the vacant cells of the trend column. So here I have my spark line. I'm going to use my fill handle and click and drag that all the way down to the last cell of that table. To copy it down, I'm going to mark completed, move to the next. On the employee hours worksheet, so let me change to that. Add a row to the table that automatically calculates the total hours worked by all employees. I want to click anywhere into that table, and on my Design Contextual tab, I'm going to check off the total row. Mark completed, move to the next. Add a function to the overtime column in cell H4 on the employee's hours worksheet that will display the word yes if the value in cell J4 is higher than 40, otherwise display the word no. So for this, we would want to use an if function. So I'm going to select cell H4, I'm going to go up to my Formulas tab and select Insert Functions. If it's not shown in your list here, you can search for it up top. Right here I have my if function. Select that, click OK. My logical test is going to be if the cell is greater, if J4 is greater than 40. So I have J4 greater than 40. If it's true, I want yes with a capital Y. If it's false, I want no with a capital N. Click OK, and you can see it copies down to all of my employees in that table. Mark as completed, move to the next. In cell I4 of the employee hours sheet, use a function to copy the name from cell A4 and format the name so that all letters are uppercase. I'm going to select cell I4. To make characters uppercase, we're going to use the upper function. So I can do equal UPP. Shows here, I'm going to double click to select that. And the text that we want to make uppercase is from cell A4. I'm going to select A4, close parentheses and click enter. Capitalizes and fills down for all my employees. Mark as completed. Move to my next task. On the average call time worksheet, so let's move there first. Create a 3D clustered column chart that shows only the call time for Friday by each salesperson. Position the new chart to the right of the table and change the colors of the chart to colorful palette 4. I'm going to go up to my Insert tab and my Insert Column or Bar Chart drop down. In my 3D column section, I'm going to select the first option for 3D clustered column. So right now it's blank because I haven't selected any data, but I'm going to click and drag my border of where my chart is going to be to the right of the table. So it's not hovering over any of my data that I'll need. With that empty chart box still selected, I'm going to go up to my Design Contextual tab and select Data. In the Chart Data range, with my cursor blinking there, I'm going to select the data for Friday. So that's 315 all the way down to 417. It's going to update that to the table text, so that's parts of Friday. Then I'm going to click the Edit button in my horizontal category Access Labels, and with my cursor blinking in the Access Label range, I want to select from Emilio all the way down to Jacques. Click OK. Click OK from my dialog box, and now I have my chart updated, but I still want to update the colors for that. So with my Design Contextual tab still selected, I'm going to select Change Colors, and in the Colorful section, I want palette number 4. Click to apply, mark as completed, and I can grade project number 7. I have my 5 green check marks, and that is the last of our projects for this practice exam, so you can go ahead and grade your entire project.